If your Bitcoin trading looks like a roller coaster, you're ready for copy trading. Let's get started. Step 1. Choose a reputable copy trading platform. Think eToro, ZuluTrade, or AvaTrade. Make sure it's secure and transparent. Step 2. Fund your account. Transfer funds, but remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Step 3. Select traders to copy. Check out their track record, risk tolerance, and strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Step 4. Set risk management parameters. Use stop-loss orders, set a maximum trade size, and control your leverage limits to keep your risk in check. Step 5. Start copying. Activate the copy trading feature and keep an eye on performance. Adjust your strategy as needed. Key tip: always do your due diligence. Research traders, prioritize risk management, and choose transparent platforms. Keep learning about Bitcoin and copy trading strategies to stay ahead. And that's it. Master Bitcoin copy trading in 5 easy steps.